client.
Heavier. Those are cemented. Look at cement them.
No, they just sit there.
I'm sorry.
Feel like, but yeah.
I wonder if these will go.
So I wish you'd have brought that
Or do you want to
styrofoam.
switch it around?
Because see, they got styrofoam. Like if you had styrofoam down in that, you could put flowers in it. It looks good though. It all coordinates.
Yeah. Those in any, make them left. I mean, are they all right?
Yeah. I just want to see if that camcorder will pick it up.